Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm sharing a crafty haul with you guys. I picked up all these goodies from Brenda. She has a D-Stash page on Instagram. I'll have her link down below. And let me show you what I got. So I picked up some cute little Valentine's Day stickers. These are like little felt stickers. I got these last year, so I wanted to get some more. I also got this Pebbles Birthday Wishes ephemera pack. And that's what it looks like. And those are the pieces that you get. I also got some cute little bags. These are so cute, you guys. Especially to do like some like loaded little bags. These cute little acrylic embellishments say love XOXO. I also had these last year. I also used those up. Some hearts. These are from Target. From foam sticker hearts, little like holographic. Some little shaker heart stickers. These are cute. And then I got one of these Heart Day little embellishments. I got these Remark Love You stickers. I love these. These are so cute. I have quite a few of these, but you can never have enough because you can use them all year long. I got these cute little Valentine's Day little clips. These are good to give away in some Happy Mail. Some Jolie Valentine's Day mason jars. They don't shake, but they're like bubbly, like dimensional. And these are Love Bug mason jars. And then I got tissue paper and like this foiled pink. Main squeeze little tassel embellishments. I actually want to recreate these. Super cute. We got these little puffy hearts. Main squeeze little sticker pack. You get a good variety with these. I have these as well. I got another pack of these. I have this one that I actually dug into, and it's the Hello Love like little word stickers. And then I got the Heart Day cardstock stickers. And I got this little bag of sequins, which is perfect because I plan on doing some shakers. And then, let's see here, hold on. I got this sticker sheet, and it's the Dear Lizzie, I think it's Stay Colorful. Yeah, those are so cute. And then I got another ephemera pack of the Gal Meets Glam, which I'm so happy because I am obsessed with this collection. And what I also got from her is the 12 by 12 papers. I have the paper pad, but I didn't have the 12 by 12, and it comes with a sticker, like another sticker sheet. You guys can see that. So the only thing I need for this is the journaling cards. I think that's the only thing I'm missing. And then I also purchased this chipboard piece from her. It's the Merry Days. I love this collection, so I definitely wanted to pick up a backup. She had one left, so I snatched it up. And then I missed out on the Cozy and Bright collection by Pebbles. So she had it and I picked it up. I got 2 ephemera packs. And this is what they look like. I'm sure you guys saw this during the holiday season. I don't know why I didn't purchase it. I had not purchased so much crafting stuff. I was busy doing other stuff that I missed out on a few collections. So I'm trying to get them and then I'll use them next year. So I got some puffy stickers, and I got these little flat stickers, like clear stickers, also from the Pebbles Cozy and Bright. I got the large, like the 12 by 12 cardstock stickers. You guys, look how cute. And then of course I got the paper pad. But yeah, you guys, that I think is everything. You see, is it double-sided? No, it's not. that's everything I picked up from her. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what's your favorite item that I purchased. What else should I purchase? And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.